Okay, so in the program that we did before, we had, if I just make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to see, we had someone asking for their age. So it goes in as an integer. If their age is greater than 18, using this logical operator here, then we tell them they're over 18. Notice the indent. Otherwise, they're under 18, so else under 18. So this here, remember, is called a selection construct. In this case, we're using an if to do this. But what happens if there's more than one choice? Well, we can use something called elif within this construct. So again, it goes in line with the if and the else. And I'm going to put in elif, so else if the age is less than, so you would imagine that no one below the age of 0 is going to be using the program because they haven't been born yet. So elif the age is less than 0, colon. Notice how it indents it for me automatically. Print. You haven't been born yet. And otherwise, they're going to be under 18 because they're not over 18 and they're not less than 0. So let's find out how this works. We'll play it. If I type in something like 23, it should say over 18. If I type in something less than 0, -2, it should say you haven't been born yet. And if I type in something like 6, it should say under 18, which it does. Now, I can have as many elifs as I want here. So I could actually say elif, the age is so I'll say it's greater than 16. So it's not over 18, but it is over 16. I can say you're nearly old enough to vote, or something like that. So you can see I've got 2 elifs, and I can put as many of these in as I want with different options, and then just finish with an else. So let's find out what happens now. If I put 17, it should say that I'm nearly old enough to vote. There we go, it works. So I don't know why I'm surprised at that, but it does. So if you look at that, that's going to help you with some of the programs that you're going to be making in Activity 2.